So in this video I am going to tell you how you can change the background of Power BI dashboard. So I have created this dashboard in Power BI, so I can also change the background of this dashboard. So how I will do it, first of all you need to download any background. So I have downloaded one background here. So this is the background. Let me open it and show you. So this is the background image which I have downloaded. So I will go to my Power BI again. So for this you need to go to the right hand side. Herein you need to go to visualization. So this is a visualization option. So click on expand. So expand the visualization, and after that you need to build visual is showing here, and at that side this color pencil is showing. Just click on format option here, and you can see canvas background. Just tap on this here, and from here you can see color option is showing and image option is showing. So image, click on this image option here, and you need to browse an image. So just select this image from here, and so it is background is not changed. Do not need to worry. You need to decrease this transparency, and here in image fit just tap on this and click on fit option, and from here you need to just decrease the transparency here. So this information is almost changed. So I hope friends now you will be able to change the background, and other modification you can do as per your requirement. So background is changed of Power BI dashboard, you can see here. So in case you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.